Welcome back everyone. As you guys may know, Fortnite just randomly got deleted from the App Store, but there's a huge story which I might talk about on the second channel if you guys want to, or my main channel if you guys want to see it, but I'll go ahead and show you a quick workaround on how to still install Fortnite on any iOS device. Now, I think you have to be on iOS 13.2 or newer. I'm on iOS 14, the beta. So if you have an iPhone or iPad, this is basically how you do it. This is the process. Now I will tell you, I've tried a couple of different ways. You don't have to be jailbroken or anything, but you should have installed it before. So if you have not installed it yet, you will have to have it on your iPhone before or had it on your iPhone. As you can see, I don't have Fortnite on my phone right now. I searched for it, I can see it on the App Store, but I don't have it installed. So as long as you had installed it on your iCloud account, on your email associated with your phone, then you can still do it. If you don't have it, then you'll probably have to log into someone else's, which kind of sucks, and you might as well wait until a patch or something comes out. But as you can see, if you look up Fortnite here and I click view, for some reason it just doesn't load. It says cannot connect to iTunes or the App Store or whatever, and it won't show you it. But the workaround is to go into your App Store. So this is basically it. Once you're here, you'll see on the top right, you'll have a little icon of some person. So you want to go ahead and tap that. You'll come into this page. Now you want to find out where your purchased little icon is. So once you see it, you want to go and click on it, and you'll see a bunch of different apps that you would have downloaded before earlier versions. Now you can search through if you want to, or what you can do is swipe up, click up here on the search bar, and just type in Fort. And if you had installed it before, you should be able to see it right there. And for us, we can go and tap on it, and we'll come straight onto the Fortnite page right there, which is huge. And from here, you can go and install it. So you can go and click this download button, and it'll go and install from the backup that it had before. And as you can see, it's installing. So even though it's technically blocked and we can't see it, you can still install it this way. You can go and read about it, go and update whatever you want to. And funny enough, if we go and click down up here, we can go and click search. And as you can see, when you search for Fortnite, it does not come up on the search bar. So that's really the only way to do it, is to go through your purchase history and get it from there. As you can see, I can't find it anywhere here, but you can still see it through your purchase tab. Now let's go ahead and try to look for it. I should be able to find it somewhere here. I don't know where it's at. So as you can see, Fortnite on the top right here, I can go and tap on it. And as you can see, I'm still able to get into it. I can go and download whatever I need to download on it. I can go and click yes and go ahead and sign in. And as you can see, it's the main app. That's pretty much how to do it. I can sign up if I want to. And as you can see from here too, if I go and search up Fort again or Fortnite, I'm still able to see the Fortnite app there. I go and click on it and it will take me to the specific app. So that's really pretty much it. That's how you install Fortnite for the time being. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.